How to recover Shopee account without email and phone number. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And in this video, we will see how we can recover Shopee account without email and phone number. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up a browser in your device. And in the search bar, you have to search for Shopee. Go towards the first link on your search results. Now you have to choose a region or country. After that, you will be taken into login page where you have to enter your login credentials in order to log into your account. But if you want to log in without using your email or phone number, there next to the password text box is a forget link. Tap on it. That's gonna take you into different page. Here it will ask for you to enter your phone number. So make sure to provide your updated phone number. After that, you will receive a verification code on your mobile number, which you have to provide here in order to get verified. And with that, you could change your password and log into your account. If you don't have access to your email address, make sure to have access with your updated phone number in order to get the verification code to log into your Shopee account. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.